Welcome to SA Car Review, your trusted source for in-depth automotive insights, honest reviews, and expert breakdowns of the world's most exciting vehicles. Whether you're into luxurious motorhomes, performance cars, or the latest technological innovations in the auto world, we bring you detailed coverage to help you make informed choices. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most elegant and advanced motorhomes of the year. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is a true masterpiece, combining the timeless luxury of Mercedes design with the practical needs of life on the road. Built on the solid Sprinter chassis, this motorhome stands out with its sophisticated appearance, sleek contours, and aerodynamic build. It doesn't just look like a high-end vehicle, it performs like one too. With precision German engineering, this motorhome is a class apart in terms of driving experience, comfort, and functionality. Under the hood, the 2025 model comes equipped with a robust 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain offers an optimal blend of torque and fuel efficiency, making long-distance travel not only smoother but also more economical. Whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or cruising along the highway, the engine provides enough power to maintain a steady and confident drive. All-wheel drive is also available in select trims, ensuring that rough terrain and unpredictable weather conditions don't slow you down. Step inside, and you're immediately surrounded by high-end luxury. The cabin feels more like a boutique hotel suite than a vehicle interior. Premium materials such as real wood accents, leather upholstery, and brushed aluminum details create an upscale ambience. LED ambient lighting adds a warm touch and allows passengers to set the mood during nighttime travel or relaxation. The layout of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is cleverly designed to make the most of every inch of space. It features a fully equipped kitchenette with a stainless steel sink, a two-burner induction cooktop, a microwave, and a refrigerator. Ample storage compartments are built into every available corner, making sure you can bring all the essentials without cluttering your living space. The bathroom setup is compact yet practical. You'll find a wet bath with a toilet, a hot water shower, and a ventilated skylight to keep it fresh. The sleeping area includes a memory foam mattress and can comfortably accommodate two adults. There is also an option for a convertible lounge area, giving flexibility to families or guests. Technology plays a significant role in this mode. A large touchscreen infotainment system is integrated into the dashboard and includes navigation, smartphone connectivity via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Bluetooth capabilities. Rear and side view cameras provide full visibility during parking and reversing, an essential feature in a vehicle of this size. There's also a fully digital instrument cluster that keeps drivers informed about vehicle performance, trip data, and maintenance needs. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its energy-efficient power management system. Solar panels, mounted on the roof, provide auxiliary power, charging the onboard battery system for lighting, appliances, and devices. Combined with a powerful inverter and a lithium-ion battery setup, you can enjoy off-grid camping without sacrificing modern comforts. Climate control is handled with precision. The advanced HVAC system offers zoned heating and cooling, allowing both driver and passenger areas to maintain ideal temperatures. Noise insulation is another highlight. Even when driving through busy areas or highways, the cabin remains remarkably quiet, enhancing the feeling of seclusion and peace. That safety is never compromised in a Mercedes, and the 2025 Motorhome is no exception. It comes loaded with features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These driver assist systems work seamlessly to prevent accidents and reduce driving fatigue, especially during long hauls. Customization options are available for buyers who want to tailor their motorhome to specific needs, from different floor plans to optional entertainment systems, exterior colors, and interior finishes. There is plenty of room for personalization. In summary, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome offers a blend of luxury, reliability, and functionality that few other motorhomes can match. Whether you're a full-time traveler or someone who enjoys weekend getaways, this vehicle is designed to elevate your journey in every possible way. If you enjoy detailed reviews like this one and want to stay updated with the latest in the